Welcome everyone, today we're drawing Squishmallow Stitch. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page of the top edge of the nose. We start on the left, I'm going to bend this up, and then down. Let's go back to the side and curve the nose, coming down and in towards the middle. We'll round this out, and then pull that back up towards the right. Now on either side of the nose, we're going to draw a half circle for the nostrils. And I'll fill the nostrils in black. Let's move up above the nose and add a fold, going up and then down. Now I'm going to move out to the side and draw two circles for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left. We'll go all the way around and then back up. And then we'll line that up on the right side. Let's add a small highlight circle along the top of each eye. Let's go down to the bottom of the eye and draw a smaller circle. Let's fill the inside of the eyes in black, going around those highlights. Now just underneath the nose, we're going to add a curve for the mouth. Starting over on the left, let's bend this up and then down. And we're just going to curl this up towards the outside corners. And we're going to add a bracket on the ends of the mouth. Now from the mouth, we're going to step out and draw the lower half of the head. Let's start over on the left, we're going to bend this down, come across, and then bend that up towards the right. Let's go back over towards the left side. We're going to curve the head. We're going to go up and we want to bend that in towards the middle. Let's add a little bit of hair across the top. We're going to go up and out towards the right and then bend that back down. Let's add another one, going out and then in toward the center of the head. Now going over towards the right side, we're going to tuck the head up and then in underneath the hair on the right side. Let's add those large patches around the eye. We're going to start from the corner of the nose. We're going to go up above the eye, go around, and then down towards the side of the head. Let's go back to the side. We're going to curve down in between the eye and the mouth, and then go out towards the side. Now let's add those two large ears. We're going to start from the left side. We're going to bend the ear going out and then up. Line it up on the right side. Let's round out the tip of the ear, come around and then down. Now on the left side, we're going to add a notch. We're going to come in and then back out. Curve the ear coming down, around, and then up towards the side of the head. Now I want to do the same thing on the right side. We're going to bring the notch down a little bit lower. So we're going to go down, then in. Let's add that notch. Come down, and just up towards the side. Let's go to the top of the ear. We're going to add a fold, coming down, and then in. Let's add the fold across the bottom, coming down and up towards the outside of the ears. And I'm going to add a fold across the corners of the mouth. Let's start on the left. I'm going to bend this out and then in. Let's sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Squishmallow Stitch. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.